how to use brightness and contrast to our image. Let's go to adjustment layer and click on brightness and contrast. For a snowy image like this, it's simple. We can add contrast and we can add a bit of brightness. Alright, that's simple. Let's see before and after. Now it has more contrast. What about this image? This image already has a lot of contrast and exposure to it. You see, this area is a bit dark, is too contrasty, the eyes is a bit too dark. To fix this, let's go to adjustment layer, click on brightness and contrast, and this time we have to bring down the contrast. See, now it's softer. Let's see before and after. Exactly that. It makes our image more softer and more natural. Look, it doesn't have that sharp look to it anymore, and we can increase a bit of lightness, and this is kind of a correct way of contrasting an image. Let's go to another one. Look at this pants, and it's a bit too dark. We have to make it a bit brighter, but still keep our contrast. How to do it? You know already. Let's go to adjustment layer, click on brightness and contrast, drag down the contrast and increase the brightness. It's the same thing, but look, the pants is lighter. And this is a trick that you guys have to know. Most of the time, by contrasting an image doesn't mean increasing the contrast. It means controlling the contrast by lighting and contrasting. Sometimes we have to reduce the contrast and increase the brightness to achieve more contrasting image. And this is a trick with brightness and contrast. Try to control it, try to learn the principle. If you learn the principle, you know the Photoshop more than anyone else on this planet. Alright, do some practice, and when you're good at it, let's go to the next lesson.